I tried this super yummy Kaju Paneer masala for lunch today. In a kadai, add oil and some chopped onions and cook for about 6 to 7 minutes on medium flame. After 7 minutes, add tomatoes along with some salt, Magaj, that is watermelon seeds, ginger, garlic, bay leaf, Elaichi and cinnamon. Add red chilli powder along with some water and let it cook. Adding ice is totally optional to make it cool faster. Grind it into a fine paste and strain the liquid. In a kadai, add oil, butter, bay leaf, Elaichi, cinnamon, ginger paste, along with some red chilli powder. Add in the strained mixture and cook until it gets thick. After it gets thick, add some milk and mix well. Add some sugar, Elaichi powder, and some Garam masala. Add some Kaju, Paneer along with some coriander and cook for about 2 to 3 minutes. Kaju Paneer is ready to be served along with roti, chapati or naan or even rice. Enjoy!